This tutorial is going to help you fill out the Common App for 2019. A few questions that all of us have, almost everybody has actually, is our grading scale. We use a weighted 4.0 grading scale. You'll see that a couple times in the Common App. You need to put that in each time. There's about 460 seniors this year in the class of 2019. That number can be approximate. It does go up and down a little bit throughout the year, but if we all use 460, that's going to be fine. You will ask to identify your high school at some point. Our high school code is 142530. You can also use zip code or name of school to find that. One section of the Common App deals with FERPA, which is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. Basically, we want you to waive your rights to FERPA when it comes to letters of recommendation. This proves to the recommender that you trust their judgment and that you know they're going to write you a good letter. The only way you'd be able to see this letter anyway is if you were already attending the college, you've already been accepted, and they actually keep the letters of recommendation. I talk more about the letter of recommendation process in one of the other tutorials, so please refer to that about your letter of recommendation. Very few times throughout the Common App now, you'll have to enter your classes. Whenever you need to enter your current classes or performer classes, write down exactly what your schedule or the transcript says. Be sure you write your essay in a Word document, and then as you edit it and finalize it, then you can paste it into the Common App once you're ready. The following is a little checklist that I made up to help you kind of figure out exactly the items that you need before you start filling out the Common App. One of those is a copy of your transcript. You can get this from your home access. You need a copy of your senior schedule. Information that may not be super easy to find is information on your parents and siblings, on where they went to school, their address of their schools, what degrees they earned, information like that about your family. Here's that same information again about our school code, and the address. Remember, we use a cumulative weighted 4.0 scale. We do not rank. And remember, the correct email addresses of your teachers and counselors end in lz95.org. Students, email ends at lz95.net. Remember, teachers and counselors end in lz95.org. So as you're recommending teachers and counselors to fill out your Common App, be sure to use the correct email address. Another item you might want to have it before you fill out the Common App is something like a resume. You need to have a list of all your activities, all of your work experiences, all of your sports, of everything that you do outside of school and in school, in order of importance. You get 10 different activities that you can list on the Common App. Another list you need is any honors or awards you might have received since 9th grade. They go at a high school level, a national level, a state level. So depending if these are academic awards or honors that you may have received, be sure you have those listed in order for you to be able to put them in the Common App. Something else you're going to have before you finish Common App is be able to insert all of your test scores that you want to self-report. These could be ACT scores, SAT scores, AP scores, or SAT subject tests. This last section deals with the essay. The Common App essay is an essay that once you write it, every school that you apply to will receive it. You have your choice to send it to the schools that don't require one, but if you already have it written, you might as well send it. Your Common App essay has to be between 250 words and 650 words. Don't think of 650 as a goal, but just think of it as a limit. You have one of 7 prompts that you need to answer. Be sure once you write your essay that it only answers one of those prompts. The bottom portion discusses what essays are the most common essays that have been written in the past year. Sometimes to set yourself apart, decide to write on a different prompt. Although number 7, topic of your choice, is hard to resist. If at any time you have questions about the Common App, please see the college counselor or your counselor for help.